Welcome to this fantastic opportunity for a stylish, updated home in Mountain Park. Nestled in the hills above Lake Oswego, it backs to a green space and views. You can enjoy Mountain Park's extensive amenities and activities. Heading inside, you'll discover an inviting interior with hardwood floors, high ceilings, and large windows to maximize natural light. Enjoy an upper-level deck, perfect for lounging and taking in the serene setting. The breakfast nook opens to the gourmet kitchen with a gas range and tranquil views. You'll also find a well-appointed formal dining room and living room. French doors open to the main level office with built-ins. On the upper level, unwind in the beautiful vaulted master suite with a large walk-in closet, and you'll find a spa-like master bath. The bonus room is a perfect flex space for a playroom, hobby room, or even an extra bedroom. The lower-level family room is ready for entertaining with a gas fireplace, surround sound speakers, built-in entertainment cabinets, and a custom-built wet bar. The professionally landscaped yard has multiple outdoor patios and a tranquil water feature, perfect for entertaining. Or enjoy the expansive space for family fun with accent lighting and full irrigation. Enjoy views of Mount St. Helens from the upper level, and you'll find lots of built-in storage in the two-car garage. Living here, you're close to miles of trails, excellent schools, and it's conveniently located for easy access to freeways and shopping. An exceptional home in Mountain Park. It's ready for you here to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.